Okay, hello everyone. This is Chris from the Gadget Whiz, and I am about to show you Google Android running on an AT&T tilt, made possible by the geniuses down at XDA Developers, who have made it possible for a tech newbie like myself to do spectacular things like this. As you can see, there is that famous Android startup thingy. It looks really cool. And here we go. By default, you have these three icons here. One of them is for the rest of the icons. One is the dialer, which works great already. And then your contacts, pretty straightforward stuff. I'll show you the dialer. It actually can make phone calls, but it is a beta, and it's somewhat limited beyond that in terms of what you can really do. But anyway, were I to finish this up and hit the green keypad, the green send button on the tilt, it would make a phone call, which is pretty much its only legitimate function at this point, other than just being cool to look at and play with. It runs on top of Windows Mobile, which is good because it's going to be a while. Well, it'll probably be till Google releases it that these betas are even passable as a primary operating system. So there's SMS. There's Maps. I'm going to not hit Maps because it might freeze up on me, and it's more or less exactly like Safari's Maps so far, except it looks a little different. So you get the picture with Maps already. It'll have my location and all that good stuff. There's the dialer developer tools. I don't get into that. That's over my head. Contacts and the browser. As you can imagine, the home page is automatically, ta-da, big surprise. I'd run a search for you, and it might work, but it also might crash, which would cut my demo short. So we're going to get back out of there, and I want to show you this thing, which I hadn't heard anything about, which is very cool. It basically, it shows you, it always starts at 12 a.m. Eastern Time every time you boot it. So I don't know how to change the clock yet, but anyway, this shows you basically what time it is in terms of what the Earth looks like from space. And you can stop it, go right, go left. Just pretty cool stuff, huh? And you can see that 3D on the tilt screen, which isn't even as high quality as the screen on some of the newer units, like the Touch Diamond and the Touch Pro. Those are going to be all very, very interesting to see what this Google stuff's going to be good for. So everybody who's got an HTC that is sick of Windows Mobile should be excited, because this stuff is going to work. Android's going to work on HTC Windows Mobile devices, and I, for one, am very impressed with what I've seen so far. And this was pretty straightforward and easy to do. So I feel like my phone it's like going to be like having a brand new phone when the real Android software comes out. So that's what I got for you. I'll just show you maybe one more thing, how we've already got the buttons programmed to perform functions. Maybe not in this one. Well, I froze it. But that's a good enough time to wrap it up. And if you have any questions, go to www.thegadgetwiz.com and drop me a line, and I'll see if I can help you out. Alrighty, take care and be well.